do sit-ups to lose belly fat, you're wasting your time. Most people think doing 100 crunches a day will burn belly fat, but after weeks, nothing changes. The belly is still there. I had a friend who worked out every day, sweating, doing abs non-stop. After 30 days, 0 results. He almost gave up. Then he changed just one thing. Here's the truth, belly fat is stubborn. You can't target it with random exercises. You need movements that burn fat and activate your core at the same time. And here's the shocking part. Most ab workouts barely burn calories. That's why your belly doesn't change. Instead, do these 3 exercises every day. 1. Mountain climbers. This burns fat fast and hits your core. Go for 30 to 45 seconds. 2. Plank with hip dips. This tightens your waist and strengthens your abs. Control your movement, don't rush. 3. Bicycle crunches. Targets upper and lower abs together. Slow and controlled equals better results. Do these 3 exercises for just 10 minutes daily, and in 30 days, your belly will change. But listen, if you skip days or rush through reps, nothing will happen. So save this video, follow it daily,